Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add emojis to photos on your iPhone. So if you want to add emojis to a particular photo on iPhone before you send the photo, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add emojis to photos on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app and open the photo you want to add the emojis to. So in this case, let's say this is the photo I want to add the emojis to. Then once you open the photo, locate and click on the Edit tool. Then once you selected the edit tool, you should see the photo just like this. Click on the sketch button at the top right. This is going to take you to the markup page. On the markup page, locate and click on the plus button at the bottom right. Then choose spot that says add sticker. Go ahead and add your sticker. Once you click on the sticker button, you should see the sticker box like this. Then come here to the emojis. Now locate the emoji you want to add to the photo, select it, position the emoji wherever you want to position it. Then adjust the emoji. You can just reduce it or increase it. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the done button at the top right. And then you are good. You can add multiple emojis to photos using this approach on your iPhone. So click on the done button at the top right again to save changes. So that is basically how to add emojis to photos on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.